Hey, it's Chris O. How you going? This, everyone, this is how you get your fall to the shower. You've still got your laser level going, and that's the height there. See that on the mark there? Right, now you decide on a slope, you put your tile, because that's the finished tile height. That there is up there, so that's the fall I've got to the waist, which is 18 or 20 mil. Put it in the middle, 19. That's 19 mil fall in that distance, which is 1200. Now that I've got that, I just go off it. The rest is easy, simple. That's it. You turn your laser off so you don't waste the battery. That's my required fall. When you look at it on the level, it's got a good portion, I would say about a quarter of the bubble going through the line. I always used to do line fall on the longest run, line fall, but everyone and the book of rules want more fall, so you just give it more. And you're laughing. Yep. Right, let's swing it around. So that point there is always touching. As I'm bringing it around, I'm making sure it's touching all the time. And you drag it back like that, DIYs. I'm wanting to give this a little bit more fall because it's just going to be one panel shower screen. Just like that. Don't let any mud fall down your hole, but it's pretty well blocked off. Bring out the excess so you're not dragging so much back. If you're dragging back a big lump of mud, the chances of your straight edge going uphill slightly are greater because you're pulling back more. So make your weight less, so to speak. And there, we're bang on again. Fill in the holes. I never used to give it this much coil far out, but hey, it's all good. I need a smaller level wherever it is, just to make sure my fall is flat. I'm happy with that, people. Now all I do is just drag it back. Just follow my rails. Lovely, I like it. We'll see you soon in a minute. I'll just come back here and I'll turn the camera back on when I'm starting to pull back over here. See you soon. Yo!